Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your FitCloudPro Smartwatch to your phone and set the time and date. The first step is to scan the QR code on the smartwatch to make sure it is using the FitCloudPro application. If your smartwatch is using any other application like FitPro, Refine or HiWatch Pro, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these smartwatches. Download and install the FitCloudPro application from your App Store or Play Store. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter some personal details like your birthday to access the application. As you can see, the watch has now been connected to my phone and the time and calendar have been updated. If you want to make phone calls or receive phone calls on the smartwatch, you will need to connect the watch to your phone via Bluetooth as shown in the video, and also you will need to activate Bluetooth calling. Here is how to set the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.